Hey, how you guys doing? Hope you're all well. Today I am doing a pretty basic, pretty simple salad. A couple of different edits, a couple of different cuts. Spent today editing 2 videos, one which is quite funny, and because I'm doing it in batches, hopefully you should see some improvement up until like this point, and then vast improvement from about video 21 or day 21, day 22, because then I'll go through a whole nother batch of 20 videos. I'm getting a bit of side sun here before I start editing again. So simple salad, we're gonna basically do some beautiful cherry tomatoes, different colored cherry tomatoes. We've got red cabbage, zucchini, on top of that's gonna be some walnuts, beautiful goat's cheese, on a base of the spinach and some coriander on top with avo chopped in, and then the normal stuff which is the seed mix and so forth. So basically I am gonna chop everything now. I will come back to you once that's all done and we can put it all together and off we go. And we're back with basically the setup as it is now and as you see it. So let's start putting everything together. So we're gonna, obviously the base of spinach, baby spinach. On top of that, we're gonna go for the cabbage. On top of that, the zucchini, tomato. Very nice, very nice. Chopped walnuts. I'm not gonna use all of them, but I'm gonna use about a handful, maybe a tiny bit more. The goat's cheese from Sparta, coriander, a handful of that, and some of the dried berries. Avo on top. Okay, so to finish it off, a bit of the seed mix, chia seeds and others, some olive oil, some lemon juice, and some salt, pepper, which I'll put on at the table. Okay, guys, thank you so much again. Thanks for coming, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the comments section, put some comments down below. Let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see, and yeah, let me know if you like this format, let me know if you like any other formats preferred to this, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.